Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about how to choose the right dog for senior lifestyles. Looking for a loyal companion. Dogs can make wonderful pets for any age, but finding the right fit is key, especially for older adults. Here's a guide to help you pick a dog that matches your lifestyle. 1. Why get a dog? While having a dog is a big responsibility, the rewards are huge. Dogs bring joy, love, and a sense of comfort. Better health. Studies show dog owners often have lower blood pressure and better heart health because dogs keep you active. Regular walks with a dog help you stay fit. Less lonely. Dogs are naturally social and can help you meet neighbors or other dog owners. Happier mood. Spending time with dogs releases oxytocin, the love hormone, which boosts your mood. 2. Caring for a dog. Before adopting, think about what kind of dog will be happy with your lifestyle. Space. Consider how much indoor and outdoor space you have. Exercise needs. Some dogs need daily exercise, while others are low energy. Make sure you're comfortable with the level of activity they require. Cost. Dogs need food, vet care, and sometimes grooming, so plan for these expenses. Age of the dog. Puppies need lots of training, while older dogs may be calmer but set in their habits. Decide what fits best with your life. 3. Best breeds for seniors. Here are some dog breeds that tend to do well with older adults. Bichon Frise. Small and fluffy, they thrive in small spaces and need moderate exercise. Cocker Spaniel. Gentle and friendly, they need regular walks and grooming. Beagle. Smart and energetic, with a short coat that's easy to care for. Greyhound. Large but low energy, happy lounging indoors with occasional walks. Pug. Playful and affectionate, they need exercise to avoid weight gain but are easy to groom. If you're ready for a four-legged friend, consider talking to a vet or local dog trainer for advice on the best breed for you. The right dog can be a wonderful addition to your life. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.